Requirements: a registered version of Global Mapper version 20 or newer. Access to the data files noted below. A folder on your desktop called My Maps in which you can save any files or exported layers. No previous experience with Global Mapper is necessary. Data. All data files used in this lesson are available in the following link. Objective. In the following scenario we will introduce some of the basic drawing or digitizing tools in Global Mapper, and we will learn how they can be used to create new features and to modify the geometric characteristics of existing features. Unload any previously imported layers using the Ctrl-U keyboard shortcut. As a visual reference, open the image file at the following location. Global Mapper Data Lesson 1 field. From the View menu, point to Toolbars section, and check the Digitizer Create and Digitizer Edit toolbar. From the Digitizer Create toolbar, click the Create Area Feature tool. Using the left mouse button, click to create a series of vertices that roughly outline one of the field boundaries in the middle of the image. Note that because this is an area feature, it will automatically close, so you do not have to manually add the final point at the point of origin. If you need to remove a point, use the standard undo keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Z. When adding the final point or vertex, use the right mouse button to complete the drawing process. The Modify Feature Info dialog box will automatically appear, allowing you to apply certain settings and attributes to the new feature. Add the following information. Name, Field 1. Feature type, Cropland. Feature layer, create new layer for feature. Under the Feature Attributes window, click the Add button, and in the resulting dialog box, type the following. Attribute name, crop type. Attribute value, corn. Click the OK button to close the Modify Feature Info dialog box. You will be prompted to name the new layer. Type fields and click the OK button. You will be prompted to confirm the projection of the new layer. Click OK. The color of the newly drawn feature will automatically inherit the default color assigned to the cropland feature type. Repeat previous steps for 2 additional fields in the image, naming each field successively Field 2 and Field 3. For each successive field, you will not have to create a new layer as noted in the previous steps above, but instead you will choose the fields layer from the drop-down list. When adding the crop type attribute, you will see that the previously typed values will appear by default. Under attribute value, enter potatoes or wheat. Note the snapping behavior, which is enabled by default in Global Mapper, will ensure that abutting fields will share a common boundary. To disable the snapping functionality, right-click on the map options and select Disable Snapping to Features. When complete, save the workspace in your My Maps folder and type the file name Field Study. We will now take a look at some of the tools that can be used to modify the geometric structure of existing features. Select the digitizer tool from the selection toolbar. Moving your cursor over the map, you will see the word Edit next to a crosshair. In this mode, it is a selection tool that can be used to select one or more vector items on the. Select one of the field polygons. Select the Move Area feature button in the digitizer Edit toolbar. Using the left mouse button, click and hold while moving the field to a new location. Release the button to confirm the move. From the digitizer Edit toolbar, choose the Display Area Line Vertices button. You will notice that the vertices or shape points for the selected field are now displayed. Use the left mouse button to drag a box around a vertex. It will be highlighted with a red circle. Then choose the Move Selected Vertices button from the digitizer Edit toolbar. The word Move will now appear beside the cursor. Using the left mouse button, click on the map to select the new position for the vertex. With the digitizer still active and the edited field still selected, right-click and choose Move/Reshape feature. Restore original shape of the area. Click the OK button to confirm, and the shape of the field will revert to its original form. Finally, in this section, we will update the attributes for a selected feature. With a field still selected with the digitizer tool, right-click anywhere on the map and choose Edit Area Feature. The same Modify Feature Info dialog box that appeared after the field was drawn is displayed, and any of the parameters can be edited as needed. Select the crop type attribute and click the Edit button. Choose an alternative crop type from the drop-down list and click the OK button. The Modify Feature Info dialog box can also be used to change the feature type and to move the selected features to a new layer.